1950, New Hudson Autocycle. New Hudson was founded by George Patterson and produced their first motorcycles in 1909-1910. They were fitted with JA press switch engines. They ran until the late 1920s when BSA had bought out New Hudson. Times had become hard for George because of losing one son in World War I and another one losing a leg. But BSA ceased all production in 1933. Then in 1940, BSA introduced the New Hudson Autocycle with a 98cc Villars engine and resumed full production in 1946. It was deemed the world's most economical riding machine. The New Hudson Autocycle ran until 1957, and then apparently it was rebadged to a BSA. (1959) Aramaki Chimera, I believe it's pronounced, 175. All right, this is a single cylinder, 172cc, 4-speed transmission. It was manufactured from 1956 until 1961, only 119 units being released. Was founded in 1912 by Aermacchi in Italy and originally manufactured seaplanes. Then in 1951, the company started producing motorcycles to fill the post-war need for cheap and efficient transportation. In 1974, holdings were sold to AMF and Harley Davidson. (1923) Harley Davidson JD. This is a 74 cubic inch, 3-speed hand shift, 325-pound bike. And in 1923 was the most popular motorcycle of its time. The Brewster green color here was only offered for 2 years, 1922 and 1923, and was a welcome optional substitute from the olive green that Harley Davidson offered from 1917 to 1928.